was the project director for Vallourec in Germany. The project was for approximately 18 months. Communication is definitely number one, and we continue to have meetings and to have dialogue and alignment throughout the whole project. The huge international network that Hilco have is paramount to the success of Hilco. Its ability to reach out to buyers and sellers all over the world with not only marketing and sales techniques, also with people who are strategically based in different locations, allows us to optimize the value of sales for our clients. This is something we proved on many occasions, and in this particular project we were able to provide the client Vallourec with considerably more financial gain than they expected.
I think the key success factors for Hilco running projects is that we bring in a good project team. These project teams are hands-on, have a deep knowledge and a lot of expertise.
As far as our client was concerned on the Vallourec project, it was one of the selling points for us to have a large full-time project team. When I say full-time, I mean they were on site all the time.
Well, looking back on the project, I'm just very proud that we had a final dinner where the CEO of Vallourec Germany basically came to us and said, well, for this project the best decision we made was to hire Hilco. And that makes me really proud.